here. It's in London. Oh yeah, baby. So, stay tuned. We're gonna show you around about cool cars. Wait, are we getting free trainers? Oh my god. What, is it for sale? Is that sale? Okay. Hỏi chưa hả?
Hả?
Chưa hả?
What is it?
Okay. Oh, look at these. Oh my god. Oh. Look at that. Okay.
I thought we were going one side.
Wow, look at that. What is this? What is this gold? It's Williams Morgan, right? Is that the brand?
I will feel thankful. 3, 4, 5.
That's the phone number. Right, okay. Well, which one? Okay.
I don't think I
Hang on there. Is it?
Maybe they attached it.
No, babe. Babe. It's not about the car. I think it's not about the car. It's just about the thingy. You know, the one that's getting it out and in.
don't know that many.
Okay. Okay. We keep going.
I think that's my kind of car. Range Rover.
Oh yeah.
Range Rover. 10 out of 10. 5 star. I don't know these cars. Like, honestly.
I don't know. Do you really have to? Hang on, is that Range Rover? Oh yes, please. Look at this. We can have like, you know, look, we can have champagne over there. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Wow. Isn't that amazing? Oh. Okay.
I think it's new. I like Range Rovers.
Yeah.
I like Range Rovers.
Okay. Okay. Oh, look at that one. Ooh, the white one. It's exciting with white colour.
I like that one. I like the colour of it.
Yeah. You should have given us two. Can we walk here?
The seats go back.
Oh wow.
So on this one, the seats go back. They lay back.
Yeah. Look at that. Look at the colour. It's like matte finish colour. So it's kind of like, what colour is that? It's like
a bluey,
pale
grey,
blue.
bluey grey kind of colour.
Yeah, yeah, that's true. Look at how comfortable the seats. Oh my god.
Do you say how comes with the sink?
The seats!
What is she on about?
Oh, they got their own ruffles. Okay, so where's she gone?
It's here.
Okay.
I keep drinking my drink.
Right, is this a racing car?
That engine.
Which one, the engine? Go on, tell me, where's the engine? Where's the engine? Oh, you do know? Well done. Do you want to talk about it?
She's now taking a look at me. So I'd like to talk about the engine.
Okay. Yeah, go the engine. Say again.
The engine.
Oh wait, I think
Right, hang on.
like it works it. Do you work it with a no? I was gonna say during the interview, but it's fine. No.
I want to sneeze. There you go.
Already got to embarrass her as I'm being interviewed.
Right, hang on, what's this? Right, how to pronounce that?
Corvette.
Mum and Carmen's favourite car.
There you are. Oh, look at these. This is a Corvette car. I think that's how you say it. So yeah, it's a bad boy.
I feel like this is more like a James Bond car, maybe.
What? Bright orange?
I don't know what he's driving. Right? I think he's
Okay.
Oh, wait, he has more like the old ones, doesn't he, really?
Yeah.
Right, okay, so that's the
Oh wow, look at this. What's this? How's it? No idea what it is.
Oh my god, guys. We need to get
Okay. Oh wow. Yes, please. Oh, can you get in?
Oh, you can see this.
Yes, shall we try? Okay. Can we? Can we try to sit on it? The guy will be like, you can sit on it.
Where's your bin?
Yeah.
Yeah, which one do you want to go in?
This one, I like the matte black. I think it's matte black and matte grey.
Okay. Oh.
And I like the red.
6 wheels?
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, look. 6 wheels. Oh, I go this way. Okay. Okay. Oh my god, look at this. It's so cool. It's so cool. Okay, I think.
Astrid, give your drink to him. Astrid.
Alright. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, yes. I got it. I got it. Oh my god.
I want to have.
It's a bit
I
high.
want to have my. Can you get my phone? I want to video it.
Okay.
What's her name?
Peony.
Peony. Can I have my phone? No, my phone, so I can put it inside her. Oh my god, I am definitely.
Okay, I'll hold it. I'll hold it. Okay. Thank you. Okay, what's your phone? It's like the magic thing. Right. Is that yours? No, that's Peony.
Is it recording?
Yeah. Okay. Hi guys. We are in. Oh my god.
She goes, we are in.
It is so cool.
Are we allowed to video inside the car?
Yeah. Okay. So, as you can see, come here. Come. I don't know what's this for. Wait, oh, it's not for holding on.
Safety first, yeah.
Okay, this is for holding on, just in case a bumpy road. Okay. I love the leather look. The red leathers. Oh my god, it's amazing. And look, it's quilted leather roof. Ceiling. Is that silly? The roof or the ceiling? Babe.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's not.
Do you know how much it costs? It's 200 grand.
Oh wow, it's 200 grams.
Or maybe
Okay.
it's more. I don't know. He was like, you can't have a drink in here because you did 200 grand. I was like, okay. I like the matte.
Okay.
I like the matte black. The red. The red is what does it
Absolutely
for me.
amazing.
The red.
It would be cool if we could drive this around. My goodness. Okay, look, and I think, did I show this, babe? So that must be the navigation. Okay, and that is the temperature control, and yeah, pretty standard. Oh, hang on, what's that? We've got a compass.
Can you? Where are you two? Can you come back to VIP?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What is that?
I don't know.
Okay. Yeah. So that's this.
Can we get a picture in this?
Yeah, we can. Are we using the public good engineers? And what's so special about it?
6-wheel drive. 6
Okay.
wheels.
Yeah, I know.
obvious.
Yeah. You do.
Yeah.
What else you want?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Hang
Yeah.
on. Let me find out because I want it to be correct before I
Okay.
get knocked
Nice.
on
Nice.
YouTube
Okay.
here.
Cool. I'm getting hot here. Is there any air conditioner here?
Yeah, it's hot, isn't it?
You still. We are just doing our job. Oh, we are working hard here, literally. That's so funny.
really should have researched this, shouldn't I, before I turned up, claiming to know about these cars.
Sorry.
Hang on. Are you filming now?
Yeah.
Sorry, I think there's a... Yes, there we go.
Okay. You're on.
I was right, 6.2 litre V8.
Okay.
6.2 litre V8. Shut the back in there.
Okay.
Just do the whole thing again if you want, and I'll say that all in one thing.
Okay, okay, try again. Do you want me to do the introduction again?
Yeah, do the whole thing again. Get it right.
Hi guys, it's me again, Astrid. I'm with Nice Comment and I'm here with James
Yeah.
from
The John Stewart Company in our awesome 6x6 six-wheel Defender.
Yeah.
6.2 litre V8, about 430 horsepower.
Amazing.
Amazing bit of kit, this thing.
Oh my god. she want to be open as well.
I've got it.
Oh, you got it. Okay, I've got heels on. Okay. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Nice car, mate.
Nice car, mate. Yeah. Okay. I'll step on your shoes, sorry.
Don't worry, so this
Okay.
one.
Yeah, that's one.
Got you.
Thank you.
Awesome.
Hey, guys. Bye.
Bye, see you later.
Okay. Let's go.
With your bagging shoes.
Where's Beth? How can you go that way?
I'm recording myself. But with the...
Okay. It's quite cute. I don't know. How's this going? Don't forget to subscribe, like the video.
I think Jerry's calling me.
Okay.